Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Stalker 2 Cost of Hope DLC if it is not launching, keeps crashing, freezes at startup, or closes unexpectedly on your PC. For the best results, follow each solution until the problem is resolved. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify the game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl. Right-click the game and select Properties. Open the Installed Files section. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation for missing or corrupted files and repair them automatically. Wait for the verification process to finish. Once it is complete, launch Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl and check if the Cost of Hope DLC now launches correctly. Solution 2. If the DLC still does not launch, return to your Steam library. Right-click Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl and select Properties. Open Installed Files. Click Browse to open the game's installation folder. Locate the Stalker 2 executable file. Right-click stalker2.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Then enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now launch the game again and check if the Cost of Hope DLC works correctly. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to search for and install the latest available graphics driver. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, launch Stalker 2 again and test the DLC. Solution 4. Update your NVIDIA driver. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the application, go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. If a new graphics driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. Then launch Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl again and check if the crashing or launching issue has been resolved. Solution 5. Install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. For the final solution, open the link provided in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the Visual C++ download options. Click vc_redis.x86.exe to download the 32-bit version. Then click vc_redis.x64.exe to download the 64-bit version. Once both files have finished downloading, open your Downloads folder. Double-click vc_redis.x64.exe, accept the license terms and click Install. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Close. Do not restart your computer yet. Now, double-click vc_redis.x86.exe. Click Yes if Windows asks for permission. Accept the license terms, and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once both Visual C++ packages have been installed, restart your PC. After the restart, open Steam and launch Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl again. Then check if the Cost of Hope DLC is now launching and running correctly. And that's all there is to it.